After reading this, you are going to eat watermelon every day. Watermelon is a tender, warm season vegetable. Besides being extremely refreshing, this fruit is a great source of nutrients and can provide a number of health benefits. With its exquisite taste and the color of its pulp, watermelon is a unique fruit that people just love it. What is more, it can improve your health on many levels, so make sure to include it into your daily diet. Your body will thank you. Check out the health benefits that this fruit can provide. 1. Takes care of the heart. The regular consumption of watermelon can significantly improve the function of the heart system. This is because the pin has a substance called lycopene that is very beneficial for the function of the heart and can fight free radicals. Moreover, the pin is rich in potassium, a mineral that has the ability to lower bad cholesterol, improve circulation, regulate heart rate and reduce the risk of heart attack. 2. Strengthens the bones. Lycopene has also been associated with bone health. By regularly consuming the pin, you will be able to reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Moreover, the potassium found in it is very beneficial for the health of the bones and joints. 3. Strengthens the immune system and helps healing. Watermelon is a great source of vitamin C, which can help with healing and strengthen the immune system. 4. Boosts the effects of weight loss. Watermelon is composed of 90% water and it is very low in calories, meaning that it is perfect for those who want to lose weight. Moreover, watermelon contains citrulline, a substance that is converted to arginine when processed by our body. Arginine is an amino acid that benefits the burning of fat. 5. It is a natural anti-inflammatory. There are many flavonoids, carotenoids, lycopene is one of them, and tryptanoids found in watermelon. All of these substances are known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties.